Just going to mask off a semicircle for the extra dampening. And I'm going to make a sticky tape template. Sticky tape template. Just for this project. It's like I made it for it. It's like it was made for it. This is Bernard. It's because I freaking made it for it. That's the follow up. Now, I'll follow this line here. All over here. Let's go to the outer. Arrow. Outer scribble, not inner scribble. Just follow that. This isn't much room up there. This is a bit of room. Follow the tape. And not sure how much I had on the other side, but it worked well. I guess the middle of the cone is a good cutoff. The middle of the dust cap. The energy is firing straight up from the dust cap and then clearing this inner baffle. Not sure I had a triangle in there. We'll give that a shot. I'll get the piece. This is the stuff. It spent most of its life as like a hard piece of, like this. This bit's still hard, almost. And then there must be a chemical in it or something, and it let go, and it's all soft and wavy. I think it let go because it spent 6 months to a year in a fish tank set up, submerged, so it lost all its stiffness. I'm just getting that template off the speaker. Here's my template. Just plumping it down. Let's get a better view. There she is, Lyra. Everything's about to fall off. Don't worry, don't mind me. It's moving shit over there. Alright, let's cut. Don't be dumb. So here's our lower, mid, lower, upper, mid. I guess I got a low, mid, sub. This is a mid, 6 inch. Could you believe this is actually hard to get off? Should be easy. And I'll just cut here and get straight to the other action. Okay, so there we go. There's our little piece. Yes, we picked black everything. Very hard to film black everything. Hello. Oh, that goes under. It's good enough for now. I'll show you the top down. It's the top down view. There's the 6. And this front bit is, for the moment, until I think of something better, it's this stuff. It folds down. And I already had this piece made. It's got magnets. Then this bit goes on. One-handed. Anyway, you get the drift. Eventually going to trim this really tight. This gets replaced. And this stuff will be less fluffy maybe. Even thinking of making a 3D structure gauze, speaker gauze. Maybe some angles. Maybe some design forethought. But just for now, this is just for listening. See if the mids get better. Turn up the mids. All right.